Ohlangene khona la enanda eNewtown A ematendeni endaweni esiyazi kakhulu ngokuthi isemablocksini eduzane naserenki kusilana sine bridge elabhidlika ngekhathi zeyikhukhula but ke angifuni lo ngikhuluma into eziningi. I just want to ask can you just introduce yourself to the listeners?
Okay, I'm Mr.
Wow. Exactly, can you actually tell us what is happening here? Because we can see the tents, we can see the police, we can see everybody, but we don't know what is happening there. I want to know what is it that is going on in this place. So you're just ensuring us that when you were working here, people they had jobs, they were working, you were providing jobs for the needy, and the people were able to walk now to drive through.